Hmm. Uh, Hello everyone. Today I am going to demonstrate the invoice management system, a comprehensive solution of managing invoices, customers, products, and users. This system is built using PHP, MySQL, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and also includes features like invoices generation, customer management, and user authentication. System overview. Let's start with an overview of the system, main features, user authentication, and role management. So, customer. So, this is the login feature of our website. First, let's look at the login system. The system has secure login page where user can authenticate themselves. I will demonstrating login in with the default credentials like username hers and password 123. So let's go to the dashboard tour. Here's the dashboard where you can see quick statistics about invoices, recent activities, navigation menu for accessing different features, system status and notification. And below this, there is customer management. Let's explore the customer management section, adding a new customer with their details like I am filling here address, town, pin code, and address, second address, country name, after that country name, and then phone number, email, uh, copying this email and pasting here, and like create customer. The customer created successfully. Message shows that customer is created. We can check this from our database. Oh, here we can check here from the database, like going in customer. Here is the customer which I have created. This one, and viewing the customer list, etc. These are the features. Let's go at product management. Now let's look at the product management features. Adding new product to the catalog, like I am adding here. Uh, state Stationery and setting the price. Add product added successfully. Message shows that product has been added. And now we can check here our product which we have added, like this one. And below those product there is old product listed. So now we are going. So from this button, like this product management, we can edit our product, like if we want to change the product price, like this one, and visit product management, like this is changed successfully. And we can also delete from this toggle, like, and here we can see product has been deleted. And now we are going to invoice creation. This is one of the core feature, creating invoices. Selecting a customer, adding products to the invoices, setting quantities and prices, applying discounts, calculating totals and tax, adding notes and terms, previewing the note invoices, like I am filling the customer information in invoice creation page. Uh, Pin code, address 1, address 2, and country, pin code, in numeric, and also dates, invoice date, uh, in due date. Here we can open or close invoice like this, and also invoice number like 15, 20, anything. Open and close invoice like paid, and these are the invoice quota and receipts like features. We can choose any of them, and here we can add one or more products like pen quantity. We can increase the quantity from here, and also the price. We can set price. These all are dynamic features of our website. Mm, and we can also add discount here, and we can also here add some notes here like successfully added or something like that. And shipping cost we can also add like 50 rupees or something, $50 or something. Like we forgot something here like price. Now invoice has been created successfully message, so that invoice has been created. This one we have created now. And now moving towards invoice management system. Let's explore the invoice management features. This one, viewing invoice, filtering and searching invoices, viewing invoice details, editing invoice, managing invoice status like paid, unpaid, etc. Generating PDF versions of invoices, like we can generate PDF from here. Uh, Moving towards invoice management, and we can also edit invoice from here. This one, and we can also download these invoices like which we have created just now. We can download it from here like invoice downloaded, this one. PDF generation features we have discussed. Now we are going towards user management system. Let's look at the user management features like adding new users, setting user permissions. Like adding new users we can add here, uh, filling these dash, and we can also add phone number here, password 123 or something. Add user. User had been added successfully. We can check this here, from here also, and we can check this from our database. Like this is the user section, and this user which we have added right now. And also we can delete user from here or edit. Like if we want to edit, we can edit from here. And also we can delete from here like this. And now conclusion of our this website is that concludes the our demonstration of the invoice management system. This system provides a comprehensive solution for managing our businesses invoicing needs, from customer management to invoice generation and delivery. Thanks for the watching. We can log out from here also.